story begins in the year 1938. It is the story of the person named Karoli. He was the best pistol shooter. Whatever national championship held in that country, he won them all. And everyone was sure that in 1940s, which Olympics were going to be held, he is the one who is going to be winning the gold medal. He even took years of training. He just had one dream in his life, that I want to become the best shooter in the world. And he even succeeded. He made his hand a best shooting hand. In 1938, an army training camp was going on. And because of he was in army, so the accident occurred. That hand which won the best shooting got injured. The hand which won gold medal got injured. And that hand was no more able to shoot. Now after this incident, he had two choices: to regret whole life about that accident, and another was to fulfill his dreams. So as he decided that he just wanted to focus on his goals, he decided to focus on what he had, not on what he lost. So now what was left with him was his left hand. For 1 month he took the whole operation of his hand, and then he decided he wanted to focus on his dreams. And then after this 1 month he started his training for his hand. That training continued for 1 year. After 1 year, in 1939, he came back. It was the national championship time. Everyone was participating in that. Many participants joined, and many of them congratulated him that after this much happened, you still came here to make us feel confident. Thank you so much. Salute to you, friend. But he replied, I'm not here to support you, but I'm here to compete you. The competition began. Everyone was playing with their best hand, but he was the one playing with his only hand. And guess who won? The national championship was won by the man with only hand. This is the real spirit, a real focus to achieve something. But he didn't stop here. He had to complete his goal, that he wanted to become the world's best gun shooter. And now all his focus was on the Olympics that were going to be held in 1940s. But that Olympics was cancelled because of World War. So now he shifted all his attention to the Olympics that were going to be held in 1944. But again, unfortunately, the Olympics that were going to be held in 1944 was also cancelled because of World War. Now he shifted all his attention to 1948. In 1938, his age was 28, and exact after 10 years, now his age is 38. Now it is getting tough for him to compete the new young players. But he didn't lose his hope here. He attended it and he won it. Everyone was again competing with their best hand, and he was competing with his only hand. The man with the only hand won again. But he didn't even stop here. In 1952, the Olympics were